Hey, Steve here checking in. Got the boat running here. Making sure it's good. Can't let it sit too long. You gotta make sure it keeps running. It's always good to keep it running. Keep it in that water. It's just sitting around. Put it in the barrel. Seeing the water out there pretty good. Anyway, so yeah, cleaning her up a little bit. Probably take it out later. Be out the next 3 days. So anyway, so yeah, keep them motors running. Put it in a barrel, let it run. So, gotta take care of things. Zero out.